This government has pushed the policy of might is right at every level. You have seriously undermined years of Dáil reform, which the reform was brought in to make democracy stronger and that all voices would be heard within the Dáil. You are being disingenuous and dangerous. I take particular note of the Taoiseach de Tánaiste and one of the minister's speeches that absolutely turns language on its head. You rammed through changes. You placed the Ceann Comhairle in an invidious position because that ramming through was announced on various interviews on RTE, etc. You made no attempt to change the language that you were going to ram through the changes. And all of the time you've added to the distrust, the growing distrust of people on the ground in relation to the political process. They simply don't trust you because you've turned language on your head. And when you ram through changes that will ostensibly give more speaking time to the backbenchers, which is far from true, then you're also telling lies and being disingenuous. And you have effectively reduced the openness, the accountability for the Taoiseach by reducing the time available to question him. You have reduced the time for order of business. You have taken time from our private members, and all of the time you have said the opposite. Garmal.